Hi, good day, Ma'am Emeline. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, ma'am. Good day also, ma'am, to you. Have a good day. I'm Emmeline Ragindin, ma'am. I'm 43 years old. I am the eldest one. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters.
Alright, then where do you live?
I live in Kalumpang, Binangonan, Rizal.
Okay, then please tell me your educational background.
I am high school graduate, Vicente Madrigal National High School.
Okay, then how would you describe yourself?
I describe myself a cheerful, a hardworking person, a multitask person, and honest, and loyal to my employer.
Okay, then why do you want to apply abroad?
I want to fly abroad, ma'am, because I want to my future, to my family, to buy for my house, for medication of my mother and father, and my sister, especially we are Filipinos, we are loyal to our family. They need help for you because I'm the eldest one, especially for medication of my parents.
Alright, okay. Then do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I have work experience in abroad, in Kuwait, DH for 5 years.
Alright, then did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. Finish my contract there.
Okay, then please tell me the duties and responsibilities as domestic helper in Kuwait.
Duties and my responsibilities and DH in Kuwait, taking care of baby, feeding them, change diapers, and taking a bath for them, always checking them if they are always good or bad. If they eat something, small things, you need to focus your eyes always, especially in the baby small. Aside from that, I'm doing cleaning, cooking, laundry, ironing, vacuuming, and fill the dust.
Alright, thank you. Then aside from DH, do you have still work experience in Kuwait?
Yes, ma'am. I have also experience in Kuwait. I'm sales associate also there. I multitask also. I know how to speak fluent on Arabic and English because I am a sales supervisor there. But aside from that, ma'am, we also multitask cleaning, vacuuming, dusting, cleaning the hanger, every wall of the side of the store. We need to clean also in the floor and mopping.
Alright, thank you. Then for how many years?
I work experience there as 16 years.
Alright, did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. Finish my contract.
Alright, then are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Of course, ma'am. I'm willing to take care of them.
Alright, then how would you take care of naughty children and children with temper tantrums?
I still calm and be patient for them and talk to them, give what they want, food or toy or stories, everything. So if they still calm and they are not naughty again, but especially you need them to talk in a patient. Stay calm.
Alright, then how about if the newborn baby is crying at night?
I need to wake up and then I need to feeding them milk and dancing for them, as long as the same here in the Philippines, dancing and wake up, you need to focus on the baby, why they feel sick or they feel something. If you cannot handle, you need to tell to your employer.
Alright, thank you. Then what will you do if you become homesick?
I focus on my work, hardworking, and I need to focus what employer they need to task on me because I'm here to earn money for my future.
Alright, thank you. Then are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, I'm not scared.
Okay, then are you willing to take care of pets, even big dogs?
Yes, I'm willing.
Okay, then how do you describe your cooking skills?
I'm cooking skills in the Philippines like adobo, sinigang, or paksiw, menudo, everything. I can cook.
Alright. Are you willing to learn new dishes?
Of course, if they're willing to teach me a new dishes, why not? I'm willing to learn. This is more experience.
Alright.
to grow.
Alright. Then do you have any food allergy?
No, I don't have food allergy.
Okay. Do you eat everything?
Yes, I eat everything.
Okay. Then do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes,
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
yes,
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
yes,
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
yes,
Do you drink alcohol?
yes, I know.
How about smoking?
No,
Do you have any body tattoo?
no,
Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
no,
Are you willing to share a room with the children?
yes,
Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning or sleep late at night?
yes,
Are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
yes.
Alright, for the last question, Ma'am Emmeline, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
My final message to my future employer, I hope you like me, and I promise to you that I am hardworking. I stay with you longer, as long as you treat me like your family, because I treat you also like a second family. And I treat your children like my own children, like my own niece, like my own family. As long as we treat you good for me, I treat you triple, in a good way and a more hardworking for my family. Thank you.